new steering wheel. CJ Pony. I've been waiting 2 days for this, actually. I ordered it and it came right away, like no problem. All right, let's cut this box open. Wow.
There it is. All right, let's get this thing unpacked. Comes really well packaged. Check this out. That's pretty cool. Cut this tape off. See what she looks like. You ready? Which one did I get? Ooh, crispy. Damn. We got the red stitch line, all the red stitching on the inside. This thing is girthy. That's way better than the stock one that's on there right now. I can tell you already. Hell yeah, CJ Pony. Thank you, brother. Thank you for being on time with the shipment and taking care of me. Appreciate you. The stitching is all so well done. I was looking at the ones on Amazon and I had one in my cart for a while. But you know, I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and, if I'm gonna spend the money, I'm gonna spend an extra, what I think is like $60, $70 and get the one from CJ Pony. And I'm very well pleased. I'll get this installed in a few days and I'll show you the video of how to do that, so stay tuned.